be seated for landing.
To Manila. MOA. Saan? MOA. Ah, Bacada over there. Soft landing, hard landing, let's see. Runway 06.
Dear guests, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 2. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of Captain Alan Roque, First Officer Carlo Banta, cabin crew Erica, Brian, JV, and myself, Love, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. Kalalapag lang po natin sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 2. Para sa inyong